Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Mima and you're watching a video that is all about French manicure hacks that every girl should know, and you're on the right spot. So now I'm gonna roll the intro and here we go. First thing that we're starting off are clean nails. I only have applied base coat and it's fully dry. Your nails have to be fully dry. You need two nail polishes. One is pure white nail polish and one is milky nail polish. It literally looks like milk, and yeah, I buy any brand I get my hands on. I know that some people like kind of rosy or like nudish nail polish, but that's totally personal preference. But the first hack is actually to do French manicure using band-aid. Yes, I know you probably have one of these. Yes, it's not that weird as it sounds, but you just kind of apply it on your nail. And then you want to use white nail polish and apply it on the tip of the nail. And then you want to remove the band-aid as soon as nail polish is applied. And yes, I made a mess, but nothing that I can't fix with using just a little tiny little brush and just being a little magician, because the acetone actually removes any mistake you might made. And then the second hack is using a scotch tape, and it's my personal favorite because always works, there is no fails. So use again white nail polish, just apply it. You can go over the scotch tape and just remove it. Don't let it dry, just remove it as soon as you apply nail polish. And yes, I know that part of my hand is like covering it, but there you can see perfect straight line. And also, if you want to, you can leave me a comment in the comment section below, and you can leave me a little sparkle if you don't know what to say, because you know that I always say never let anyone do your sparkle. So that way this is like our emoji and you're my little sparkling angels. But now that I'm done talking about that, I want to let you guys know that actually my favorite way to do a French manicure or like French tip is to actually freehand it. And I'm showing you here that you want to actually remove the most of nail polish from your brush, because we're not gonna paint our nails, we are gonna do little tips. So you just want to remove the most of nail polish, and then actually you can see it here. I am not rotating my brush, but my hand. My hand is rotating the one that I'm doing the French tip on, and I'm doing it nicely, as you can see. And also, if you make any mistakes, you can also go again with a little cleaning brush and acetone and fix and perfect it. But I'm someone who sometimes wants to perfect it, and other times I'm just like, no, I like it this way, and actually I loved it this way, so I didn't want to perfect it. And now we're gonna top it off with some milky nail polish that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. And I just bought this one because I actually didn't have any milky nail polish in my home, and it's such a tragedy because I love milky nail polishes. I love them even when I'm not doing a French tip, because it gives you that no makeup look. I mean that manicure but not manicured nails, you always look chic. So anyways, I got this one. It's perfect. I do it in one coat. You can also apply two coats if you prefer it, but I love to give it that sheer look. And after I'm done, I'm actually gonna top it off with some quick drying top coat as well to add that beautiful shine and seal everything in, because it's super important to have a top coat. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think in comment section below, because I love hearing from you. Watch some of my other videos because there is so many on my channel, and actually there is a video on nail care that every girl needs to know, and it's nail care tips and hacks that you will actually love and use in your life, so check it out. And until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. I will see you in my next video. Bye, angels.